Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel and this video. In this video I'm going to measure the pH of apple cider vinegar. So let's get started. So here I'm having this apple cider vinegar and it is having the mother, it is also having the mother of vinegar. So it is a slightly different kind of apple cider vinegar. Before measuring the pH, let me just shake it a little bit. I think this should do. Yeah, I think this should work. It is having a repungent smell. It is having a very high smell. So before wasting time, let's me measure the pH. Here I'm having the fresh new strip of the pH paper and let me dip it into it. So it is red in color. It has turned reddish into the color. I think you can see the difference. And if we compare it on the pH paper, it is 3. So this apple cider vinegar is having the pH 3, and the reason that it is having the acidic pH is because it has acetic acid present in it. Thank you.